Let's begin with the breaking news that's coming in on India's Mpox concerns. The first case of Mpox clade 1 strain has now been reported from India. The WHO, remember, has said clade 1 is a public health emergency. The Mpox clade 1 has been detected in a Kerala man. The patient had recently traveled to Dubai. This is what we are getting as far as this new strain being confirmed in India is concerned. My colleague Akanksha joining us with more on this. Akanksha, concerning situation there, what more details do we have on this Mpox clade 1 strain being detected in India?
Absolutely, Shreya. See, it's very important to mention here that there are two strains of monkeypox. First is clade 1 and second is clade 2. Clade 1 is actually the cause of concern, and that is the strain that has been spreading rapidly in Africa. And this is the first case of clade 1B that has been now confirmed in India. The patient is from Kerala. He has, in fact, traveled to India from Dubai, is what the health ministry sources have told us. But they have also emphasized that there's no indication of any widespread risk to the public at this point. But definitely, this is the first case of clade 1B. Earlier this month, around September 9th, the first case of clade 2 was detected in India, but that time health ministry has said that that was absolutely no cause of concern because that variant of monkeypox is actually not too widespread. But this is definitely cause of concern. It remains to be seen what really happens after this. But for now, health ministry has said that there's no indication of any widespread risk to the public.
All right, Akanksha, thanks very much for joining us with all those details. So that's the latest as far as the health scare around Mpox clade 1 strain is concerned. Health Ministry is saying that there is no need to panic, but this is, remember, the first case of Mpox clade 1 strain being confirmed in India.